Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Student, I am your English teacher and today we are going to learn the second letter of alphabet, and that is B. Capital B, small b, B. And the sound of letter B is B. B, B. B, B. Student, now we will learn some objects made by B. Beaver, bird. Beaver, bat. Beaver, butterfly. Beaver, book. And students, now we will open our English reading book, page number 6, and we will write date 4th April 2020, classwork and Saturday. Students, now we will read some other objects made by B. B, and the sound of B is B. Beaver, banana. Beaver, butterfly. Beaver, box. Beaver, book. Beaver, bat. Beaver, bus. And students, now we have to circle the letter B in the given words. Where is B in these words? Yes, here is B. We have to circle it B. And here is B. We have to circle it also B. Students, now we are in a garden. What are you seeing on this page? Yes, student, there are many things. We have to circle the objects made by B. Bus. Beaver, bus. We have to circle this object, bus. Beaver, bat. Beaver, ball. Beaver, book. Beaver, banana. Beaver, box. Beaver, butterfly. And students, now we have to circle the letter B in the given words. Here is B. We have to circle the letter B. B. And here is another B. We have to circle it. And here is B. Okay students, now page number 6 and page number 7 is your home task. You have to read these objects carefully.